Hey y'all, Rachel here with Rachelsuniquecrafts, and today I'm going to show you how to just take a simple garland that you can just buy, a little swag, and turn it into something pretty. Just kind of spruce it up a little bit. So let's get started. So this one, I just want it to look a little bit more Victorian. And all I'm going to do, I could still use these on some stems. I could put them back on stems, but I had taken them off to use them on something else. And so what I'm going to do, this is just your basic little swag garland that you can hang anywhere. And I had it hanging on a corner of a large picture frame. So what I'm doing here is just gonna glue these right to the little stem there. It wants to come off with my finger. I'd like for you to stay stuck to the little stem there. I guess we just need to start at one end and go to the other, right? I've had this little rose swag for many years, so I cannot honestly tell you where I got it from or even when I got it. It had been up in storage, and I guess a year or so back I dug it out. So I just wanted to add a little bit of baby's breath to it. Y'all ever get tired of a decoration, put it in storage or whatever, you know, then later on, could be years, dig it back out. Oh, it's like getting something brand new all over again. So I was sitting here thinking about how long I've had this swag. It's probably been 30 plus years. Long time. And I'm thinking that, years ago, Kirkland's used to sell florals. I don't know, I haven't been to Kirkland's in, Lord, probably 2 years or more. But years ago, they would sell florals, little swags and stuff, and I'm thinking that's where this came from. And yes, it is that old. So, anyway, I did not want a big full-blown swag. This is just going to go over the corner of a picture frame. So, let's go hang it back up and see what it looks like. Just to add a little bit of baby's breath, just to give it that Victorian style feel. So, I like it better with a little baby's breath. Let's go hang it up. Let's go. So thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this little quick tutorial on how to just add a little bit of baby's breath to your little swag and make it look a little bit more Victorian. So thank y'all. If y'all would, hit the subscribe, the thumbs up, and share the video if you like. I appreciate it. Thank y'all. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye-bye.